Hey guys, welcome to another virtual story time here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Gardens. I'm here in the courtyard and today we're going to be reading Night Animals Need Sleep Too by Gianna Marino. So let's get started. Let's see, what night animals do we have here? This guy is black with a white stripe on his back. That looks like a skunk. And who's this? Let's see, he's gray with little pink fingers and a pink nose. That looks like an opossum to me. Hey possum, what's wrong? It's too bright. I need somewhere dark and quiet to sleep. How about we sleep in that den? It looks nice and dark and quiet. Opossums and skunks need to sleep during the daytime, so they need to find a dark place where they can sleep. Who's that? It's a big bear. What is that buzzing sound? Buzz. Bees! Ouch! Run! I'm getting attacked by a swarm of bees. Oh no! Possum, watch out! What for? What do you think he's gonna run into? Funk. Oh dear. How about we sleep in that tree? Do you think a bear is gonna fit in a tree? I don't really think so. Nice and peaceful. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Do you hear something? Crack! Beaver! Timber! They're going down! Uh-oh. Oh no! Did I kill Possum? Are you dead again? Go away. What do possums do? Possums will pretend like they're dead so that people don't bother them. Oh, Possum, I am so sorry that you're dead. He does that sometimes. This den is nice and dark. Come on down. Oh no, I see somebody's hiding in the den. Who could it be? Something is down here. What's that smell? Poof. It looks like the skunk let out his smelly smell. Cough, cough, cough. Skunks don't belong in wolf dens. Who's this? That's our wolf who is living in his den. He just got kicked out by a skunk smell. That looks cozy and quiet. What is that? That's a tent that people sleep in the woods. This doesn't look like it's going to go well. Crackle, crackle. Did you hear something? Can you move over? You're alive! A possum woke back up. Crackle, crackle, crackle. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Who do you think it is? Zip! Oh no! The people came back. Oh, here we go again. Poof. It's gonna smell really bad again. Night animals! Run! Run! Oh no, what's Possum doing? Is he playing dead again? Silly Possum. We're never going to get any sleep. Sleep? It's almost dark. Almost dark? Who's that? He's flying in the air? That's a bat. They're also nocturnal. They also like to sleep during the daytime. Time for night animals to wake up. Who makes that sound? That's an owl up in the trees. All right, thanks for joining me for our story. Next up, we have our craft. So today we're making a little possum craft, just like the one in our story, from a toilet paper roll. Some of the materials you need are a toilet paper roll. You can use construction paper or regular paper, and use the template found on our KW Virtual Garden Google Classrooms online to cut out your possum head and possum feet. And then you can use tape to tape them onto your toilet paper roll, along with either a pipe cleaner, or you can use a string or a ribbon or anything that you have around the house. And then I added googly eyes to mine. You can always just draw on eyes with markers and a little nose that I drew on. So make sure to check our tutorial out to make your own opossum toilet paper roll. And we have our activity for the day. So today we have talked about animals that are active at nighttime and they sleep during the daytime. So the opposite of what we do. So we're going to sort animals into nocturnal, which means they are active at night, like our opossum and our bear and our skunk that we saw in our book, and daytime animals that are awake during the day, just like you and me. So I'll start with kind of an easy one. We have an opossum here. So just like the possum we saw in our book, do you think opossum, was he active at nighttime or was he active during the day? He was looking for a place to sleep during the day, so he's active at nighttime. I'll do two more. So we have a lizard. Now we see lizards in Key West and in the Florida Keys all the time. When you see them, are they usually active during the day? I think so. I see them running around all over the garden during the day, so they're on the daytime side. I'm going to do one more, and then I'll let you guys sort them out yourself. Go to your KW Virtual Garden in the Google Classroom, and you can find the template to sort your own daytime and nighttime animals. So last one, what should we do? Let's do our owl friend. Now we saw our owl at the end of the book, and it was nighttime and he was awake. So he's gonna go in our nighttime animal pile. So go ahead and you can sort the chicken and the bat and the butterfly and tell me if they're awake during the day or if they're awake at nighttime. Thanks for joining me for another Google Classroom Virtual Garden, guys, and I'll see you next week.